Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the Electrolux Dishwasher error code IF0 on your 2025 model, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error typically signals an issue with the water inlet or flow, meaning your dishwasher isn't getting the water it needs to operate properly. Before we dive in, remember safety first. Always unplug your appliance and turn off the water supply to avoid any accidents. Let's start with the basics. First, check your water supply. Make sure the faucet connected to your dishwasher is fully open and that there's no kink in the inlet hose. Sometimes, it's as simple as a turned-off valve. If that's all good, move on to inspecting the inlet hose itself. Look for any blockages, cracks, or bends that might be restricting water flow. Give it a gentle shake to dislodge any debris, but be careful not to damage it. Next, it's time to clean the filter. Over time, food particles and gunk can build up, causing errors like IF0. Locate the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher, usually under the lower spray arm, and remove it. Rinse it thoroughly under running water and scrub away any residue. Once it's clean, pop it back in and secure it properly. If the error persists, try resetting your dishwasher. Press and hold the start button for about 10 seconds, or unplug the unit for a few minutes and plug it back in. This can clear temporary glitches. Run a test cycle to see if the code disappears. If none of these steps work, it might be a more serious issue, like a faulty inlet valve or a sensor problem. In that case, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. Dishwashers can be tricky, and messing with electrical components without expertise is risky. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing error code IF0 on your Electrolux dishwasher. We hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.